Y'all stealing from me. The mirrors have been drying for the past almost 48 hours. So we are good to put the mounting brackets on those and LED strips for the back. I have LED strips, the Philips Hue LED strips. I have some in the TV stand in the living room. That was something I was able to save after the house fire too. So I'm glad I did, but I haven't used them. I spent a lot of money on those, so I was glad that I was able to save them and still be able to use them. So that's a blessing. But if they don't work like I need them to, I will get some more. And the brand I've been looking at is called Nanoleaf. They make those triangle panels that be on people's walls, triangle and hexagon, I think, or octagon, one of those shapes. I know triangle for sure. They make those panels that light up on the wall that you can touch and change colors, and it can go with your music and stuff like that. They make LED strips now. So I may get their LED strips and put those in the back of the mirrors. If my Philips Hue don't work, I will just go ahead and get Nanoleaf LED strips. Because the reason that I'm getting these kind of LED strips instead of just like the cheap ones off Amazon or something is because I want these LED strips to be compatible with HomeKit. If you don't know what HomeKit is, it is Apple's version of smart home. So it has all of my smart home stuff in it. Lights, speakers, thermostat, door locks, like literally almost everything that can be smart in my home is on here, except my cameras and my garage door opener. But yeah, pretty much I need those LED strips. Well, I have to have those LED strips compatible with HomeKit and then use Siri to control all that. You feel what I'm saying? So I pay the extra money because Apple got me in the Apple economy. They done sucked me in and I'm stuck. You can't. It's not easy to get out of it. So that's the goal. Philips Hue don't work. We're gonna do the Nanoleaf LED strips from Best Buy. So yeah, first stop, food, gym. Go by Best Buy and see if they have them, because I'll be in the area, so I'll just go by and stop. Uh-oh. Dropping leaves outside. Oh no, it's a little cool out here. Nah, we ain't doing that. Never mind. It's all you gonna get today. It's too cold outside. Ain't no wind blowing. You definitely gonna be shedding leaves. We're not even gonna get into that. Absolutely not. All right. And before we go, I went and bought another gallon yesterday, well, last night, and we're gonna do the same thing. What time is it? 12:47. So we're gonna start at 1 again. So what time I'm leaving the house seemed like here lately. All right, so by 9, we should be done. But I'm about to drink it down to 1 real quick. We got that down to probably around like 1:30. By that time, I'll probably be done with 2, heading down to 3. When I tell y'all, this actually helps me a lot. I haven't been able to drink a whole gallon in probably like almost a year now. Yesterday, I ran through it from seeing those numbers. So it's basically like a mental challenge. When I see those numbers, I'm like, oh, I gotta drink. That actually helps a lot. If you got a problem with drinking water, write your times on a water bottle after you buy one of these. Or if you don't want to drink a whole gallon, you can get like, I thought I seen a snake in my backyard. You can get like the smaller jugs of water. Mark your times on there. Drink it. I don't care if it's a bottle of water. Start. Drink your water. Still got the mirrors down there, and we'll finish those when we get back. Awesome. Let me do a bacon double cheeseburger. Awesome. There you go. Thank you so much. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. 12 out of 10. So, if you got a Smitty's near you, go try it. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me. Now, about to head to the gym. Trying to let my food digest just a little bit, but we gotta make our creatine mix. What I use for creatine is this right here by 6 Star. I've been buying this since I was in high school, like no cap. It's tried and trusted by me. We mix a big scoop of this and about 8 ounces of water. So we're gonna use some of our water. Then we're gonna get our creatine. We're gonna mix 1 scoop. What's crazy is this how the container used to look compared to now. They're really getting off on me. So I might find another brand to go with because it was net weight of 2.52 pounds. Now it's 2.19 pounds. I don't like when companies try to finesse us. They definitely got off on us because it's the same price. Y'all stealing from me because this is the same price as this one with less product. Y'all didn't want to go up on prices, so y'all cut the product. You think you slick, but you're not. But I like y'all stuff, so I'll take the little hit. But I got one more time, y'all gonna strike out, and I'm gonna get somebody else creatine. Not playing. Now let's go to the gym. I'm on the earth and they all yellow like a bird. Inside me back 2 times to my money, bitch, all like that. Already money, alright, so we are at Best Buy, about to go in here and see if they got these LED strips and how they look. Hopefully they got a display of them so we can actually see what they looking like. So this the brand right here, but I don't see no LED strips. Maybe they're at another location because they definitely ain't here. So we're about to get our B-roll of the bathroom, and we're just gonna focus on the mirrors. Now that the wood planks are mounted to the back of the mirrors, now all we gotta do is put on our mounting plates, and then we're gonna wrap our LED strips around the back, and then we can hang them up. But first, before I can put those on, I have to measure how high I want the mirror to be on the wall in the bathroom. So we're gonna measure from the top of the mirror to, I'm gonna say I want the top of the hanger to stop at 4. So I don't care how the cut is on that board on that side, it's gotta stop at 4. I don't care if it's in the crack of that wood over there, it's gotta stop at 4 for it to be an even mount on the wall. And I opted to get the 2 screw because I wanted to make sure it was pretty secure, and it has this hook up here, pretty hefty, should hold it up pretty well. Before I mounted these to the mirror, I wanted to make sure that that's gonna be the proper height when I put it on the wall in the bathroom so that it's not hitting the vanity, if you get what I'm saying. But let's go in there and see. Okay, so as I was showing y'all outside, we was gonna do it at 4, which I don't know if that's a low enough point to mount. So I might just do 8 and mount it right there in the middle, because I don't want it to be having so much force pulling on it and it just snaps that top piece of wood off. So if I started lower, I probably have a better center of gravity on it. So we're gonna try that. Okay, from the top of the mirror, we're gonna do at 8 right here. So the top of this D-ring is gonna be at that 8. So we're gonna mark that. Now we measure across, but right about here. Crazy thing is, I want a smoothie bowl, and it is 7:22. And if I don't leave now to get it, they're gonna close again. So I'm about to run and go get me a smoothie bowl, and then we'll come back and continue this. No, you all good, appreciate it. Piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I said, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want my beats, I'll wait the Giants up again. All right, so we back home now. So now we're gonna be measuring where we need to mark to put our new screws in. Our dimensions for the width is 30 1/4 inches. So that's just a little bit wider than what we're already at with these previous screws. So I'm gonna get those marked, and then we gotta go up 2 inches. But let me get this marked. I need a laser measure. I guess we're going to Walmart. Does this need batteries? $49. But yeah, we got the laser going right here. I got it on one of my tripods. We got it pointing at this wall over here, and it's going right through where I need it to be. Right, chill. I'm gonna turn the light off so I can see it better. So like that. We got our LED strips. As I told y'all, I had a big wheel of it. This is one from Philips Hue. This is another, and then another one right here. Neither one of those other two has power cables, so this is the only one that does. So I'm gonna try to make do with what I can with this one. But yeah, that's what we got as of now. So we have the wall anchored and ready to go. So all we gotta do now is bring the mirrors in. I'm gonna stick these to the back of the mirror before I put it up here just to see exactly how I wanna lay the strips on the back. If I wanna do it in the circle pattern or if I wanna lay it against the mirror pointing towards the wall. I think I'm going for it towards the wall because let me show you. As you can see, against the wall, you can see those individual LEDs. We don't want that. We want that. See what I'm saying? Since the wall is white, it's gonna reflect the light. Got me? You're worth the chase, your it's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fire. Oh, now that look good. All my hard work. Hopefully this thing stays. Lord, please let it stay. I'm in this world. See me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Man, get y'all kids out my way. I'm telling y'all. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. So the other one, I'll do that another day. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe next week. But I'm about to head to bed. My watch is dead. That's how you know it's late. It is 4:42 in the morning. And I'm still up. And I still got a shower. It is the next morning. And I slept like a rock. Went to sleep at like 6 in the morning because I had to take a shower. But I'm gonna show y'all because the mirror is still standing. The mirror is still standing, as you can see. I did put this little light up here to do like a can light. Hey Siri, turn on bathroom light. Hey, turn bathroom lights 100%. When I'm doing my brand videos, I need my face properly lit. And this light lights down onto my face. This light right here lights the sink. So when I'm doing my talking piece of the product in my hand, it's lit down. Sorry about the towel. I put this down just in case that light fell or this mirror fell down. So I have a little cushion, just a little bit. So we're gonna try to see if we can see these lights in the daylight. So I like it, turned out really good. I got more real estate to do my content. So now I can have my camera facing me and I can get my whole body in the frame. Because at first it was just like literally. But yeah, mirror turned out great. Today ain't really doing much, so I'm not gonna vlog the rest of the day, except for us looking for the LED strips. If I go and pick them up, I'll vlog that part, but I'm not gonna bore y'all like that, so I'll see y'all in the next video.